Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice cream coffee. First, let's get our coffee ready. You'll want to brew about 1 cup of strong coffee, perhaps a dark roast or espresso, and then let it cool down completely. This is crucial to prevent your ice cream from melting too quickly. While your coffee cools, pop your serving glass into the freezer for about 5 minutes to ensure a perfectly chilled beverage. This simple step makes a big difference. Now for the fun part, assembling your delicious ice cream coffee. Take your chilled glass and add 2 to 3 generous scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream. The quality of your ice cream truly elevates this drink. Next, slowly pour your cooled coffee over the ice cream. Be gentle to create a beautiful layered effect. Remember to leave about 1 inch of space at the top for any delightful toppings you might want to add later. This is where you can truly make your ice cream coffee your own. For an extra touch of sweetness, consider drizzling chocolate or caramel syrup inside the glass before adding your ice cream and coffee. Once assembled, a generous dollop of whipped cream is a must. Finish it off with a sprinkle of cocoa powder, cinnamon, or even some chocolate shavings. You can also add a splash of flavored syrup, like hazelnut or vanilla, for an extra layer of deliciousness. Your perfect ice cream coffee is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with a long spoon and a straw so you can savor every layer, from the creamy ice cream to the rich coffee. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ice cream flavors, like chocolate or coffee, to discover new favorites. This delightful treat is perfect as a dessert, a refreshing pick-me-up, or simply a wonderful way to indulge yourself. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.